Okay, the storm, January 23rd, Westchester County, suburbia. It's my little backyard. I'm just gonna take a quick walk around the block. Hopefully I don't kill myself. Whoa. That's my tree. I love my tree. Okay, walking up my driveway. I'm gonna walk up my driveway and just had this shovel this morning. I had some guy come in and shovel it. And it's like covered again. Oh man. I'm starting to think this is a bad idea. Thinking about going back in the house. This is bad, folks. It's coming down really, really hard. Hope this video is coming out. Hope my phone doesn't break. Just a quick lap around the block. Wow. What's up, man? There you are. An exercise in futility. They didn't shovel at all. My goodness. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to walk in the street. This is crazy. I love it. I do actually. What's that?
I grew up in this, I didn't
Me too. Oh Lord, this is crazy. Driving in this. It's unbelievable. Wow. I'm thinking about turning around and go home. Walking down the middle of the street. Some people haven't shoveled their snow. Should have brought gloves. Okay, you know what? That's it. I'm going back. I'm going back. got about a half a block before I decided I don't want to deal with this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. Oh boy. I wanted to like make a video and walk around the block. I'm changing my mind. I'm going home.
It's like getting sandblasted.
What's that?
You know when they do sandblasting?
Yeah.
That's what the snow
Exactly, yeah.
little cyclone.
You're right. This is crazy. I'm going home. Oh lordy. Oh gosh. I'm not doing this. I'm going home. Oh. Just walking down the block and back, and it's ridiculous. My goodness. Is anybody out and about? Go home. Find shelter. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm done. Whew. I think they're right. They said on the news. As well as this death on a stick. Home again. Oh, this is too ridiculous. Try away. What do they say? 2 feet? This feels like a whole lot more than that. Gotta tell you. I'm done. Oh, forget about it. Oh. That sucked.